Facing issues with the Telegram app on your Android device like crashes or it not opening at all? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to fix Telegram when it's not working properly. So let's dive in and get your app working like new. Solution 1. Check the Telegram app permission. Tap and hold the Telegram app, then hit the info icon from the pop-up. After that, go to permissions. Now ensure that all the permissions are allowed. Solution 2. Clear your Telegram cache and data. Go to your phone settings, scroll down, then tap apps. Scroll down and find Telegram. After that, tap Telegram, now hit storage. Then press clear data. Next tap clear cache and tap clear cache again from the pop-up. Solution 3. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then slide to reboot or tap restart. I hope these tips helped you get your Telegram app up and running on your Android device. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Got any questions or problems? Leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.